Hello everyone, this is the MinersKing channel. Today, we received a C2 immersion cooling kit from Fog Hashing. This is currently one of Fog Hashing's most popular products. And let's take a look at how it performs. The working principle of this kit is to circulate coolant between the mining rig and the heat exchanger. Utilizing the thermal conductivity of the coolant, it effectively removes and dissipates the heat generated by the miner, ensuring that the miner operates efficiently while maintaining an optimal working temperature. This animation can help you much better to understand what's going on. After the coolant in the tank absorbs the heat generated by the machines, it flows through the red pipe to the dry cooler. Once the coolant is cooled, it flows back through the blue pipe to the tank, reducing the temperature of the miners in the tank and starting the cycle again. The tank has a display screen through which we can monitor the working status of the C2, and when the coolant is either too low or too high, the display screen will also send alerts. At the same time, using the C2 can increase the machine's operational efficiency by 20 to 50%. The dry cooler releases the absorbed heat into the surrounding air, which increases the mining rig's efficiency and cuts down on maintenance cost. It is much better to place the dry cooler outdoors, and this benefits the miners by saving more space. Worth mentioning, you can also integrate your solar power with this cooling kit according to your personal needs. The C2 is very suitable for home mining. Not only can it effectively reduce noise and stabilize overclocking, but it can also utilize the excess heat for household use. For example, in cold environments, part of the mining electricity cost can be offset by heating cost, while the heat energy can be utilized for heating equipment. Additionally, the C2 is adaptable to environmental temperatures, ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. The C2 offers wide-ranging compatibility. It supports the majority of mainstream mining rigs on the market, such as the S21 Pro, KS5L, and M60. Finally, at MinersKing, we understand the unique demands of cryptocurrency mining and strive to provide tailored solutions to meet your specific needs. Whether you are an experienced miner or just starting in the mining business, we have everything you require to optimize your mining operations and maximize your profitability. You can either visit our official website or connect with us on various social platforms linked at the top of it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.